I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. Where do you think am I going? I'm going for traveling, so let's go with me. But before you have to be ready for your business trip or just vacation, you have to be ready with your vocabulary. So let's start from this lesson at least. So first of all, you should know how to buy ticket. The ticket, билет, you should book it at least. At first you were booking it. Booking it means забронировать билет. Забронировать. And after that, pay for them, платить, and after, купить. Купить, it means buy it. So, but before you should do it, you have to know your flight, gate after that, when you go to the airport, and another words. So let's start from the flight. Flight means рейс. Where are you going at least? Are you going to Moscow? I am with you. Or maybe St. Petersburg? Or maybe somewhere too far from here? It doesn't matter. These words everywhere will be the same. So when you have this flight ticket, you will know the gate, right? Gate means выход. This word you will see everywhere in Russia. Even if you go out from your shop or even school, you can see this word, выход, like exit. For us, it's the same. So gate, выход. Destination, место пребывания. If you are going somewhere like in St. Petersburg, it's your destination, место прибытия. But for you, maybe it's international airport. If you are going to Moscow, but from Italy or America or London. So international airport for us международный. Международный аэропорт. Airport, аэропорт. Without passport, you will not do it, right? Passport means passport. Just a bit different pronunciation. But in Russia, we are using our passport. We don't have ID. We have this just passport. So when you have some problems or you need to buy something, at least cigarette, and by our law, you should show your passport that you are up to 18. So passport is so important. Boarding pass. Boarding pass, посадочный талон, with all information there, with your gate, выход, with your seat, with your passport numbers. This is посадочный талон. Listen, don't forget it somewhere, because last time I lost them and it was a trouble, huge problem for me. So be careful, please. So first class, imagine someone going for the first class. Maybe it's you, maybe it's some person who you will ask, maybe will go through this выход. Maybe not you, the first person, maybe I don't want to stay in the queue at least. So first class. First class, первый класс. So can be business class. Business, business. Business, it's business, nothing more. So if you're the pilot, you will be like the business person, you know, in a business class or first class. For you, it will be like a priority for you, all priorities for you. So pilot means pilot. Okay, but if you are not, okay, ask someone who will maybe allow you to be the first if you don't have so much bags like my Russian friend. Where is he going? Listen, it's like he's preparing for the half year somewhere. Are you normal? How do you prepare for, like, oh my god. So if you are without your luggage, you can ask someone to go through this queue. But okay, just my opinion. It's a joking. It's a joke. So if you're a pilot, you can go through all queue. If you're not, stay, wait. So maybe read a book, maybe Russian. Just I want you to be not in a bored situation. So let's move on. And after that, when you go to your самолет, to your plane, самолет, you will be waiting when this самолет взлетит. This plane will take off. So take off means взлететь. 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 Maybe tomorrow I will take my bag and we'll fly somewhere. Don't forget, ask me where am I. Okay, because I need to land. Landing. Приземлиться. 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 But do you remember when you're in a plane, you are sitting and you have to close your belt at your seat. So seat, место where you're sitting, and belt, пояс. But it's not a пояс, it's ремень. Because we have the same like word, but when you're wearing something and here you put your belt, it can be like jeans, and imagine you are wearing some pants or something. You wear it ремень or a belt. But for us, ремень or пояс. So, but when you are in a plane, it's a ремень. So, flight attendant, steward or stewardessa. So, if you are male, you should say steward. Female, stewardessa. But I don't like, I don't like this part, customs. Like always asking me how much at your luggage dollars or some stuff, water, bring water there, go here, open here, like a crazy, like police, but so crazy one, Don't do this, don't do that, open here, wear it some, take off your shoes. What tight sometimes. For us it's a таможня. So when you are going through this place before your plane take off, go straight without problem, and your face should be serious, without smiling, because in Russia when you are smiling it means something wrong. You think about some tricky stuff, you know. You have to be serious like me, maybe. Okay, I'm not joking. Okay, stop joking. Listen, let's count how many luggage does he has. Listen, sumka, this some small bag, maybe big one, sumka. When you're going for your gym, you took this one, like sumka, bag. This one, it's a чемодан. When you take it with you and going somewhere. So чемодан. Another one, okay, it's too much stuff, I think, inside. Okay, and рюкзак. This is рюкзак. It's something light, not heavy. I don't like to put a lot of stuff there. Not like our Russian friend. Рюкзак. So, if you have this all information now before you go in somewhere, you should know you are ready for the traveling. And when you are ready, I'm ready to go with you. So, thank you for your attention, and let's go to the next lesson.